Let's see how we can add our social media profiles to our business profile. So to do that, we have to go to our search bar and write here Google My Business Profile. Then go to View Profile. Then select your Edit Profile. Select here Contact. Then click here Social Profiles pencil icon. Now from this drop down menu, we have to select our social media platform. Let's say I would like to add my Facebook account. Select Facebook and just I have to write down my Facebook profile link. Then I have to click here Save. In that way, you can add as many accounts as you want from this list.